Hey guys, welcome back to 3 Styles for another video. So today is September 6th, the market is closed, but it will reopen tomorrow. Today I wanted to relook at Jumia. It's the second time I'm doing Jumia, but the first video was one of my most watched ones, so I figured you guys might want to watch it again. So let's start with the month and then move on forward. So for the month, what I can see here is on my HMA 14 line, my blue dotted line. You know, that's my fastest swing trade signal. If the candles are forming over it, I'm buying. If they're forming under it, I'm selling. So it has been a little uptrend over here, but recently over here, this would be a sell signal to me, guys. Like going up momentum sold, the positive momentum, red momentum came in, and the last candle was gonna be way up there and finishing down here with a strong wick pointing down there, which is gonna show nearby negative movements, right? But the PSARs, the yellow dots, they're still showing positive. But I'm telling you, just from knowing this, unless there's some news, it's probably going to be a slightly longer downtrend from seeing the first month. Now, let's move on to the 3 months. On the 3 months, you can see, like I'm telling you guys, the PSARs, right? The yellow dots, and if candles are under it, it's negative. If candles are forming over it, it's positive, right? And mostly it's been a downtrend. See? Now, right now, the PSARs are here, so it's possible that this little short-term that momentum that I'm seeing that could happen, it's possible still that it could just be a little short one before it goes up, because I mean, if you look at the overall year, I mean, it's pretty beat down. And it seems like it's been curving up and curving up. The MACD, let's look at the MACD, guys. So on recently here, it looks like the MACD was going up, which it was, but over here it's starting to flatten out. Usually when it starts to flatten out, it's about to go down again. Same thing with the RSI over here. When it's fully went under, it's when I bought some positions, and 3 days later, I think it was over here at 8% or something, I took a profit, just because I learned not to trust the stocks already. And a bunch of growth stocks, they're just not fully ready to come back yet. So on the 6 months, we're gonna look at the SMA 21, the white line, a very common line for people to buy when it's over, like over here. But it went back down. They're going back down under. It did go over here again, but right now it's seeming like it's gonna go back down. So the thing about that is, I did tell you on the last video that it's, you know, it's very possible that it's coming back a little bit when this was starting to cross, and also the the SMA 50. It looks like this was the 21 was gonna cross the 50, and it might be a nice projection upwards. But I did say, in order for the SMA 50, which I'm gonna show you over the year, the purple line. So the purple line, to me, the SMA 50 indicates the healthy or unhealthy line, right? So if stocks are over it, it's healthy. When they're forming under it, it's unhealthy. So it's been an unhealthy trend for a while now. But like I told you guys on the last video, when the SMA 21 crosses the 50, it's a really good signal. And also it had begun crossing over the SMA 50 here too, just the single candles. And I told you guys, you know, we have to wait to see if that stays there for a week and a half, 2 weeks and a half. But it didn't. It was like a week here, and then it touched it here for another week, and then it's back down. So it was hard to trust this to fully go in. So if you guys are here for expecting to say it looks like it's bouncing, honestly it's not, but it is at a very low point that it could start bouncing up forward again. And also the gap between the SMA 21 and the 50 is not that big. So there is a potential chance in the future, but right now it's just everything is indicating that, you know, it's not really time to go back into it yet. So that's my review for right now, guys. Let me know what you think. I hope you like it. Subscribe, leave a comment, help the channel grow, and I'll keep making more regular videos. So thank you and peace.